riding along pretty much,
Okay.
trying to figure out what's going on.
They got no clue. But we ain't the only
What is he doing?
Taking back roads because there was a big old pole in the road.
coast.
Oh, it was like toppled over. Oh god.
Yeah, and there's a fire in the house.
That's Lewis's
Okay,
fault.
everything went to shit like real fucking quick.
I hope that some bitch made it out.
I mean, kinda, but she was asleep for
For an hour.
Well, she can have an hour.
Well, I guess. And I guess if things are going bad in the hospital enough for the paper to write about it.
We're good.
Yeah, exactly. So
That's right, he did. We're fine. Trust me.
Alright.
there's people on the road right there.
Oh,
See what they need.
no, don't see what they need.
Do it. Keep driving. You got a kid, Joel. So do we.
But we have
Oh,
room.
child.
Keep driving, Tom.
Oh no.
I mean, it comes down to that.
Yeah,
I ain't helping
yes.
nobody, man. I don't care.
You should have.
You don't even know what's going on. Like, you don't know how stuff's getting
If you
spread.
got like more, I guess, yeah.
Yeah, you have no idea. Like,
If you got more numbers of people, oh shit.
you be like, you don't know what's going on. It's like,
Mother
oh,
had the
grab
same damn
the whole
idea.
thing is.
Yeah.
We could just backtrack and
Hospital patients.
Oh,
Tommy!
jeez.
Holy shit!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's fine, it's fine. Oh my god, no, it's not fine.
What the fuck just happened? Did you see that? Yes, I saw it. God damn. Turn here, turn here.
They do cuss a lot in this game.
Oh god.
Yeah, of course. Let's go down the street with all the people on
There's a
it.
freaking thing in the way.
Get us out of here.
RV.
Oh no.
That thing.
We can't stop here, Tommy. I can't fucking drive through them.
You notice a lot of people have the same
They're
hats on?
behind me too. There. Hold on. Go.
Oh jeez. Oh my god, he's gonna hit somebody.
A lot of them little ladies came back from golf.
Oh!
Forgot about that part.
Oh my god. Shit. Great.
Daddy? Hey. Hey.
First time I saw this, I thought that was Tommy doing that.
Oh.
Yeah. But you have no idea where he is.
He's gone?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Like, he's just...
I'm not optimistic in these situations.
They're out of sight. They're
whatsoever.
dead. Can't see you, you're dead. A lot of electricity going on.
Oh, it just happened. Oh god. Oh! Push a button!
I
Oh, okay.
can't.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
It's not a quick time event.
I'm here, baby.
Push a button.
Give me your hand.
What do you want me to do? I'm waiting. I'm watching. It's like a movie.
Go to bed.
I'm gonna need to run. Keep us safe. Come on, baby.
I gotta carry the only thing that matters.
God.
Don't drop in front of me. Oh, okay.
Okay, so he's here.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Move, Tommy!
Move! Go! What is she doing? She's stupid.
Oh, okay. Good times. How much is gas? 388.
Oh my
good
god!
times.
Where are they in San Francisco, right? Or it's in California.
I don't know, but this did take place whenever gas was like $3 a gallon. So, yeah. This I hate. God, get out of my way, please. There's a lot
I
of
think I
people
would run
behind me.
faster.
There. Keep looking at me, baby.
All right, get around these people.
Oh my god.
Just get out of the way.
No one can drive.
Get out of this.
No one can walk either.
Oh, apparently not.
Hey, look, a movie theater.
Let's go see a movie in the middle of all this. What's playing?
Might be a safe place.
Oh, jeez.
I'm not going that
Just
way.
kidding, it's not safe.
Not going that way.
Through the alley.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Open the door, dude.
Go.
Oh god, I hear them. I hear them.
Yeah, me too. Oh, okay, well. Shoot him.
He's dead. God damn it.
At least they're smart enough not to just, like, you know, in zombie movies where they just shoot them in the chest.
Get through the.
Yeah,
They're like,
yes.
no, everyone knows it's the head.
Come on.
Oh, okay. Well, there's
Go.
people behind me.
Move it. Get to the highway. Go. You got Sarah. I can outrun him.
Uncle Tommy?
I will meet you there. Hurry.
Daddy, we
Tommy?
can't leave him.
You don't know that.
He's gonna be fine. We're almost there.
What is he gonna do when he gets to the highway?
Just try to escape the
Like,
city.
It's packed with people. He's disabled. It's fine.
No, he's definitely running behind.
Oh my gosh. That was so disturbingly loud. Oh! Okay, Tommy's here. It's fine. Unless it's someone else.
Is he?
Oh, no, it's someone
Hey,
else.
we need help. Stop, please.
No,
I
they're
think her leg's
fine.
broken. Stop right there. Okay. We're not sick.
Got a couple of civilians on the outer perimeter. Please advise.
Daddy, what about Uncle Tommy?
We're gonna get you to safety and go back for him, okay?
Sir, there's a little girl. But
Oh no. He's gonna tell him to shoot him.
somebody, we've just been through hell. Okay, we just need... Shit. Please don't.
Oh, thank God.
Oh no.
Oh no, she hit. No!
Move your hands, baby. I know, baby, I know. Listen to me, I know this hurts, baby. You're gonna be okay, baby. Stay with me. I'm gonna pick you up. I know, baby, I know it hurts. Come on, baby, please. I know, baby.
There's an ambulance right there. It's got stuff in it, right?
Sarah,
She's gone.
Nuh-uh.
baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Come on.
No!
Told you, man. This game punches you in the
You
feels.
I just got here!
Punches you in the feels. Yep.
Please, please, please.
And welcome to the game.
Great.
It's just what it does, man. It's stupid, but it's just what
The
it
number
does.
of confirmed deaths has passed 200. The governor has called a state of emergency.
Hundreds and hundreds of bodies lining the streets.
Panic spread
I don't-
worldwide after a leaked report from the World Health Organization showed that the
It's like
latest
a game.
vaccination tests have failed. But
No, it's not. Everybody dies in Game of Thrones.
Well, she just died. I'm assuming the other
Angeles is
people
now the
that get
latest
close to
city
her
to
died.
be
Oh, you mean like
under
if you get attached to somebody, they just
martial law,
Yeah,
all
they're
residents
gone.
Invite it.
Exactly, and of course you're gonna love her. Like,
Life
she's
have
super sweet.
continued for a third consecutive day,
And you played this.
winter rations are at an
Your
all-time
first
low.
experience is first.
A group calling themselves the Fireflies have claimed
Ew,
responsibility
that's
for both
disgusting and
attacks.
petty.
Your public
Folly.
charter calls for the return of all branches of government.
Demonstrations broke out following the execution
Yeah.
of 6 more alleged
You nasty.
Yep. It wasn't.
Gaming experience.
I wasn't pedophiling it, but
Remember when you're lost in the darkness? Look for the light. Believe in the Fireflies.
you see that? You
Believe in the
gotta
Fireflies?
Find the Fireflies.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's with the Fireflies?
I don't know. Apparently they're per people.
Oh, they're the group? Okay.
Summer.
Where were they just at? What?
20 years later. Isn't that crazy? When I first saw that, I was like, huh? How you play? Look at him.
Dang, he's old
Yeah,
now.
he's real old.
I'm coming.
He's real old.
Okay, so he's got like experience under his belt. He knows like, what's going on and shit.
I mean, 20 years later after all that, though, I mean, like, it's...
How was your morning? Want one?
No, I don't want one.
Well, I have some interesting news for you.
Where were you, Tess?
West End District. Hey, we had a drop to make.
We had a drop to make.
Well, you wanted to be left alone, remember?
So I'll take one guess. The whole deal went south and the client made off with our pills. Is that about right?
What?
Made out with their pills.
Deal
Or
went
they had
off
a deal.
without a hitch. Enough ration cards to last us a couple of months, easy.
You want to explain this?
Yeah, they
I was on
like
my
deal
way
in
back
ration
here,
cards
and I got
now,
jumped
which
by
is
these
ways
two
to get food.
assholes, all right?
Okay.
That's like currency kind
Yeah,
of
they
thing
got
now.
a few good hits in.
And like goods and stuff. 'Cause,
Oh,
like,
was she actually selling
Look,
pills?
I managed.
yeah, I mean, like, she was trading pills for some other stuff. Like the ration cards.
Oh,
Yeah.
These assholes still with us?
okay.
That's funny.
Oh, just somebody hit her.
Let's find out who they were.
Yeah,
Yeah,
someone
look,
puts
they
a
were a
crap out of
couple
her.
of nobodies. They don't matter. What matters is that Robert fucking sent them.
Our Robert.
He knows that we're after him. He figures he's gonna get us first.
Son of a bitch, he's smart.
He's not smart enough. I know where he's hiding.
Like hell you do.
Old
I
warehouse.
don't even have to wait and find
Area
out. Next time.
Good lord, we've hardly done a thing.
I know, it's great, isn't it?
Okay.
Anyway, but yeah, so that it's,
Well, my heart got crushed, and now it's 20 years later. Great.
it's like life. Heart gets crushed early, and then you move on 20 years later. Anyway, so we'll pick it up
Okay,
next time.
well.
Anyway, so feel free to come back, subscribe, and follow
Comment,
us.
subscribe, like, everything.
Thanks,
See you
guys.
guys next time.
Bye.